Welcome to another episode of Racing to Learn. We are a nonprofit that uses radio control to get kids excited about math and science.
We are working on a full-size car today. This is one of our wheels and tires for our RX-7. You guys can check out the playlist for all of our videos on that. We went out and found a nail, or rather, didn't find a nail. Went out to the car one day, went out to the garage, and saw that the wheel was flat. We brought it over to, wheels rolling away on me, we brought it to our local America's Discount Tire. They wouldn't repair it because they said the tire was a little bit too old. Apparently, these tires have markings on them in terms of when they were made. I'm not seeing it here. Where is it? But anyways, this tire has a lot of good tread still left on it. Oh, here it is. 0307. So apparently this tire, and correct me in the comments if I'm wrong, but apparently this was manufactured in March of 2007, which would make it a pretty old tire. But this car, yeah, I mean, it still looks in pretty good shape here. No dry rot, no sort of chunking off the wheel. So we're going to go ahead and try it to fix it ourselves. We're going to use this Harbor Freight Tubeless Tire Repair Kit. Online, the reviews on this are kind of interesting. There are almost 1,000 reviews, and maybe a quarter of them are negative, like a 1-star, saying that the handle broke. There's some videos on YouTube showing that too. But then there are a whole bunch of 5-star reviews too. So we thought we'd just give this a shot. It's like $5, and usually Harbor Freight has like a 20% off coupon. So it's like, I think it's like $4.69 or something like that, and you can use a 20% off coupon. So it's like, $4 or less than $4. The item number here is 62611. This is a new version. I noticed in some of the videos, I watched some of the YouTube videos, that the hook tool here had a different shape to it. It looked more like a fish hook versus this is a U. The hook is actually a U. So I'm not sure that makes a huge difference, but we'll see. So we'll go ahead and get the nail out here first. Try some pliers on this and see if I can just not working the best here. Maybe some side cutters. Saw Eric, the car guy, pull the nail out of the car on his with some of these side cutters. So, let's see. Looks like you gotta kind of press down on the tire. You can see the threads. I'm wondering if I should just try to clamp onto it and unscrew it. There we go. That's working. So I'm actually unscrewing it using these pliers. Alright. So now would be a good time to unbox the kit here before all the air runs out. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open this up. Usually I try to open these up in a way where I can reseal it later. Let me get a utility knife. Alright, so just gonna slice it in the back here. And this will allow me to just, versus having these random pieces lying around. And I can actually hang this back up on the pegboard. I don't mangle the packaging too badly here. This is the reamer. And these are the actual patching pieces. They've included a knife here too. I'll probably just use side cut pliers and then some rubber cement and the hook tool. So I'll just get these out of the box. Alright. And get the glove back on. So, of course, once I pull this out, there's going to be a rush of air. Looks like it's a pretty sizable screw here. Alright, can hear the air already. Put that off to the side. Grab the reaming tool. Definitely easier to do this with the wheel and tire off of the car It doesn't really come with any instructions, so if you want to reference those YouTube videos, basically this just enlarges the hole, makes it smooth. Okay, so before I pull this all the way out, I'm going to prepare the other half, which is this, grabbing one of the plugs here. And then, ooh, looks like they're pretty sticky here. I'm not sure if I want to grab them with these dirty gloves that I've got on. So I'll use this tool. Yeah, pretty tacky there. And we want it to stay tacky. I'm not seeing how this is going to fit into the... It's like threading a needle here. Maybe the old hook mechanism is better. I'm going to change over to some nitrile gloves, just so I don't totally mess up. It's just totally sticking to the nitrile gloves. Bare hands, because it's just sticking way too much, way too tough to handle. So it's still, yeah, I just can't get it through this tool. I think the old hook tool that I saw was actually easier to work with, because you could just put it on the outside of a hook versus having to go through this actual tool here. I'm gonna use some pliers. Just pull this through if I can. Try some needle nose pliers. Not the easiest to work with here. Man. Struggling. Ugh. This is just not working. I'm wondering if I should just try to get it through this way. Huh. I'm wondering if I should just try to push it through. That's not working too well, I don't think. I'm gonna put my gloves on here. That doesn't look like. No, that didn't work. That just totally pierced this filling here, whatever you want to call it. It doesn't really stretch too well. Yeah, this is just total pain. I'm going to try to feed it through and pull it through with some pliers. Shoving it through. Maybe that's enough so we can pull it through with some. Okay. That seems to be working out. Finally. All right. Well, I'm gonna put some of the included rubber cement on it now. I'm gonna puncture this with a cap. Oh, it's pretty watery. Ooh, quite watery rubber cement. So make sure you're in an area where you don't mind it dripping on stuff. All right, I think that's sufficiently cement in there. Pull the reamer out. Put on my gloves again because I saw one guy hurt himself on YouTube. Not wearing some gloves, trying to do this with the Harbor Freight tools. And the handle broke on him. So I'm just gonna rotate. So I try to push this in. All right. Apparently you're supposed to let it set for a few seconds. Let's see if I can push it in anymore. Doesn't seem like I can. Okay, give it a couple more seconds. And I'll pull it out. Well, I don't hear any leaking. There's definitely a good amount of effort there, though. So, we can just cut off the excess. Put this glove back on again. Since I don't have another one handy. Well, I'm going to cut off the excess. I'm not going to bother with the blade that they gave. I'm just going to use these bigger cutters. And cut it flush. And the extra will just wear down as the tire wears. Smooth this out a little bit. Broken glove. But we'll see how this holds up. It's holding the air right now. We'll do just a test with some soapy water and bubbles and whatnot. But yeah, we'll see how this works out and keeps you guys posted. Let us know what you guys think in the comments. Like, comment, subscribe, and we will catch you next time. Thanks again for watching.